Hey everybody, Frank, Daytona Cycle Audio. This is a series of how to get your bag off when we install the Rockford lid, okay, cut-in lid kit with the 6x9, okay? First, of course, open your lid. Secondly, you want to zoom in over here, okay? Right here is the connector, okay? Little tab there, push the tab, okay? See? Comes apart, okay? Then what I do is loosen the bag, okay? Make sure the bag doesn't fall off, okay? Put the bag on your knee like this, and if you can zoom in on this, this is a self-seating grommet, okay? You just yank it out, boom, and the bag comes off. Okay? Get it back on, you do the exact opposite. You push that in like that, you open the bag, you just keep wiggling. That grommet is seated right now. Put your bag right on together. Plug it back in. And there you go. Lesson 1 in how to get your bag off. Did I forget to show you how to get the bag off? Or did you forget to ask me? Till next time.